Imagine if trees could power the world. What if every tree on Earth generated electricity? Instead of absorbing sunlight to produce food, these trees would harness solar energy and convert it into electricity, lighting up cities, homes, and powering everything around us. With their roots tapping into the earth, trees could wirelessly send energy to our homes and cities, creating a fully sustainable, natural power grid. Imagine a future where forests are the most powerful energy plants on the planet. No pollution, no fossil fuels, just pure, renewable energy from nature. Could trees one day replace power plants? Nature's own solution to the energy crisis could be right outside our windows. What do you think? Could trees ever power the world?